IVM.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, the language used on the podcast may not be fit for consumption. We warn you, tread carefully. But listen yaar, don't be so conservative. Yeah, Cyrus says, live, 10:01. Unfortunately, we're waiting for our guest, Hemant Kher, famous actor, but unfortunately, we haven't been able to figure out whether he's coming on or not. He should be on. He says he's on, and it should happen in a few minutes. But in the meantime, Silveri and I will discuss a very important thing which I just found out. Charlize Theron has gone on record to say that all women during this lockdown period, especially mothers and sisters and daughters, should be paid extra. Mothers especially should be paid extra because of the load that they've had during lockdown. An extra allowance from the government side. Now, I just want to point out that it's actually the men who have suffered more. So I just want to point out because it's us who have suffered more, because I just remember during the lockdown is the first time I did the Saaf Safai of the house in my life, which is bad, horrible, but it became too much. It was like Shaolin Temple 36 chamber. We went from 0 to 36. It was too much. My first horrible humiliation was when I was asked by my wife to clean the toilet. वो भी ठीक है. Clean the toilet is not, you must do it. It's humility involved. But after she used the toilet, she asked me to clean the toilet, which I thought was extra, between you and me, unnecessary. So I'm just saying, shouldn't the men also get extra allowance? We have not even been trained in the field of battle. साफ सफाई की सब कल्चर में हम लोग का कुछ, what is the English word for it? Virginity है, virginity. We were not exposed to all this, and we have risen to the occasion and gone all the way there and cleaned beyond the call of duty. So I would just like to tell Charlize Theron and other actors who are talking about motherhood and women suffering, that even men have suffered, and perhaps suffered worse, because we were not prepared to perform in the field of looking after the house. That's all I would like to say.
Feeling overwhelmed, anxious, struggling with too many obstacles, don't know where your life is headed? Well, if you are dealing with one or all of these, tune into the Positively Unlimited podcast, because in each episode, I share a life lesson, a life hack, a pro tip that can help you get your life back on track. All episodes are available on the IBM website, IBM Podcast app, or wherever it is that you get your podcast from.
Hemant Kher, welcome to the show. How are you, sir? Sab theek? Sab tak?
एकदम बढ़िया. टकाटक. So happy to see you in the morning.
What a show. Fraud after fraud, lie after lie.
No. I am big fan of yours.
क्या बात है भाई, क्या बात है.
And I was very happy when I got to know that, I'm going to talk to you. So thank you so much for having me.
No, it's our pleasure, sir. We'll start from the beginning. NSD का है ना, sir जी? So you must be knowing Gopal Dutt, my good friend.
हाँ, मैं उसके साथ, गोपाल के साथ 2.5 साल तक रहा भी हूँ. I know him very well.
ये अंदर की बात है अभी. Let me just warn people, we're not going in that direction at all. But but what you mean is that you stayed with him in your early days.
Early days, yeah. I shared. He allowed me to share his house.
वहाँ पे कट करते हैं हम लोग. We don't need to know more details. But people don't understand, because now, you've become very famous, and I think that Harshad Mehta show has just, as it happens with actors, one show just changes the game from whatever to wherever. I think in no other profession, because even in business it takes years, etc., for the thing to catch and all. Magar acting mein, literally it's in the old days, one Friday evening, now one web series. And suddenly a person's life just changes completely. So Hemant, we'll start at the top then.
Yeah.
Because I want to see your entire struggle, kahan se kahan tak, and where you are right now. But let's start at the top, which is this Harshad Mehta scam.
Yes.
Uske baare mein, can you tell us a little bit how you got that role? You're playing the brother. What was it? Did you expect to get so much notice and the show to do so well?
I never expected that. When I got the show, I felt, यार ये हो गया अब 16 साल बाद ना, अचानक से कुछ तो मिला है. मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि स्क्रिप्ट क्या है. मुझे सिर्फ इतना पता था that हंसल मेहता is directing it, and it is about हर्षद मेहता, और हर्षद मेहता का भाई है. So I thought, यार भाई है तो कुछ तो होगा इसमें. Beggars can't be choosers. So I was like, यार मिल जाए बस हंसल मेहता.
That's why you're on the podcast.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, kidding.
No.
ठीक है. But इसमें कर्मा की बात है, because sometimes, like you said, you didn't, whether you choose or not, it chose you. Let's say that way.
Yeah. Absolutely. And I used to give a lot of auditions. I used to make things work around. I after passing out from NSD, कुछ serials किए, कुछ films किया, लेकिन nothing was working out. कहीं पे कोई इज्जत नहीं मिल रही थी. And
वो तो कभी नहीं होता सर. आप कट करो नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग के बाद भी. इज्जत, प्लीज डोंट ब्रिंग इज्जत इनटू दिस लाइफ यार. सॉरी, गो ऑन.
सो रिकॉग्निशन भी नहीं, कोई मतलब अगला काम भी नहीं. तो किसी ने बोला राइटिंग करोगे, तो अब थिएटर वाले तो सब कुछ कर लेते हैं. तो मैंने बोला हाँ करूंगा यार, पैसे मिलेंगे. तो पैसे मिलने लगे, तो फिर मैं लिखता चला गया. फिर
एज अ राइटर
I've written a lot of non-fiction shows. I've done a lot of non-fiction shows as a creative director, act director, this director, that director, and also like a assistant director.
अच्छा ये बताओ, एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर और असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर में क्या फर्क है? People even ask me that, like as if we are supposed to know. आप कुछ नॉलेज है इसके बारे में?
कोई फर्क नहीं.
एग्जैक्टली. आई थिंक
सिर्फ नाम अलग है और दो लोगों को अलग सैलरी मिलती है, वो एक
अच्छा अलग सैलरी के किस्म से. ओके, दैट मेक्स सेंस एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज़ हाउ डू यू रिमेंबर अदरवाइज.
एब्सोल्युटली.
बड़े बाप का बेटा ये है ना, तो एसोसिएट बन गया. अच्छा ठीक है, फेयर इनफ.
नहीं, बट जनरली एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर्स आर द पीपल हु यू नो हु शेड्यूल होल थिंग.
आई तो जो चमचा चेलागिरी करता है ना डायरेक्टर के साथ, उसका एसोसिएट होता है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता. वो
इतना गंदा ह्यूमर है अपना शो पे सर, यू विल वॉक आउट एंड
प्रोटेस्ट. नो, आई लव इट.
इट विल कॉमेडी agitation at its best. Sir, I'm interrupting. I love this story of success. Firstly, आपने कहा कि struggle तो बहुत था. Obviously,
struggle वगल नहीं था. Actually ना, ये word ही मुझे गलत लगता है. I was paid well in the TV.
Adolf Hitler का शब्द है, Mein Kampf, my struggle.
हाँ, तो मैं I was earning well, I was doing well, I had a house, खाना मिलता था, अच्छा गाड़ी वाड़ी.
Social life, Saturday night पे dancing वांसिंग करता था.
हाँ, मैं डांसिंग वांसिंग तो मैं वैसे भी कर ही लेता हूँ, चाहे गाना कोई भी हो. तो वो अपने मूड पे है, गाने पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं है अपना डांस. तो वो सीखा बहुत. लेकिन इस जो जिसको स्ट्रगल कहते हैं ना, उस दौरान मैंने राइटिंग भी बहुत किया, मैंने लोगों को एक्टिंग कोचिंग भी बहुत दिया, मैं डायरेक्शन भी करता रहा, अपने शॉर्ट फिल्म्स बनाता रहा. और मैं एक्टिंग के लिए ट्राई, ऐसा आई वाज नेवर यू नो ऐसा आउटवर्डली जाके सबको मिलके सर मुझे काम दो, वो मुझसे हो नहीं पाता था. लेकिन जो लोगों को पता था कि ये एक्टर है, वो मुझे ऑडिशंस के लिए बुलाते थे, वो मैं ईमानदारी से करता था. सो आई यूज्ड टू गिव लॉट ऑफ ऑडिशंस. कभी मुझे रोल चूज नहीं करता था, कभी मैं रोल को चूज नहीं करता था. करते करते अचानक से 16 साल बाद ये अश्विन मेहता मिल गए, और जो मुझे आता था वो मैंने किया.
ओके, हंसल मेहता, obviously very household name. How do we say it? Inamdar is the right word, I suppose. A guy who's got respect, but not necessarily Rohit Shetty का जैसा following नहीं है, but respect बहुत है, right?
Correct.
Is the right way to put it.
Yeah.
As an actor, I'm sure you were looking for these kind of directors to work with, and these kind of roles that obviously will come from them.
Absolutely. मैं ऐसे ही जहाँ कुछ सोचना पड़े, जहाँ कुछ करना पड़े, जहाँ पे थोड़ा एक्सप्लोरेशन हो एज एन एक्टर, वैसे डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करने में. दूसरा, एक हंसल मेहता इज वेरी गुड विद एक्टर्स, द वे ही गिव्स देम फ्रीडम. मतलब ही नेवर टेल्स यू कि ऐसा करो. He would give you the script, he would read it with you a lot of time, and then he will allow you to flow. So that process I love. मतलब वो उसमें मैं I love that process. तो उसमें मजा आता है.
सर, इस पॉइंट पे अगर हम रुक सकते हैं 2 सेकंड, मेरा भी एक व्यू है इसमें, and that is, I think you're absolutely right कि जिन डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर को दिखाते हैं, लिटरली दिखाते हैं जैसे बंदर के जैसा कि नाच बसंती, ऐसा नाच बसंती, ऐसा करो, लेफ्ट लुक करो, राइट लुक करो, ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन होना चाहिए. आई गेट वेरी इरिटेटेड. व्हाई डू पीपल डू दैट स्टिल? How will Hemant Kher emote as, let's say, Hansal Mehta? It's not the same thing.
Absolutely.
You have an idea कि ये idea है और ये scene इस तरफ जा रही है, and then from there whatever happens.
Yes.
But why do they continue till today? They continue, sir जी अभी left look, और लेफ्ट के बाद अचानक आपको वो एक्सप्रेशन होना चाहिए. I'm like, what? It's not like maths यार.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो लोग ना, they take this thing very seriously, that director is the captain of the ship. हाँ, वो कुछ ज्यादा सीरियसली ले लेते हैं वो लोग. वो लोग ये करते हैं कि मेरे को सब मालूम है, मैं जैसा करवाएगा वैसे तुमको करना है. वहां पे थोड़ा एक्टर बंध जाता है मुझे लगता है. बट जैसा
all directors are failed actors and very angry. करके दिखाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बट माय व्यू इज थोड़ा सा सा प्रैक्टिकल ऑल्सो कि यार ऐसे तो लोग हैं और ऐसे लोगों के साथ काम भी करना है, तो मैंने तुझे माफ किया, अपना दिल साफ किया, अपने को पर डे भी देखना पड़ता है ना. सो
मिडिल रास्ता.
हाँ,
हाउ
मिडिल
फार आर यू विलिंग टू क्रिटिसाइज द गवर्नमेंट, जहां तक एंड देन यू हैव टू पुल बैक. फेयर इनफ, बिकॉज़ ये रियलिटी ऑफ लाइफ का सिचुएशन अलग है. ऑलराइट, ओके, लेट्स लीव इट फॉर अ सेकंड. एवरीबॉडी नोज अबाउट दैट. लेट्स गो बैक इन टाइम. हेमंत खेर, born in Surat.
Yes, born in a place called Kosamba, which is close to Surat.
Okay. और फिर आपका जर्नी के बारे में in the next 5 minutes, can you tell me how you reached up to Ashwin Mehta?
My journey started from Kosamba only. Then I got
30 seconds हो गया. You have to go faster than this.
I will be very fast. I'll finish it in 3 minutes.
नहीं, फिर मैं क्या बोलेगा उसके बाद. करके दिखाओ फिर एक्टिंग. उसके बाद
तो मैं यहाँ से पढ़ाई करने के लिए एक रेसिडेंशियल स्कूल में चला गया. एंड बचपन से ही आई वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर, यू नो. तीसरी क्लास में था तब. देन आई डिड दिस श्रवण कुमार का एक मोनो एक्टिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ माय मदर व्हेन आई वाज इन 3rd standard in a primary school. And then I got selected in a residential school, Kendriya Vidyalay. There magically, when I was in 12th standard, everybody was thinking about becoming a doctor, engineer, professor. I never used to tell people, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे ना लोगों को लगता था कि इसका कुछ होएगा नहीं.
और हंसते थे. I think
बहुत
5-6 साल के ड्रीम ठीक है, but when you're 15-16 it starts looking funny.
हाँ. So I suddenly on one day I was roaming around on my hostel का roof, और अचानक से टेरेस पे मुझे रद्दी के बीच में पड़ा हुआ नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा का वो मिल गया.
What are you saying? Sir, यही है पिक्चर. Beautiful.
Absolutely.
क्या
और
सीन
वो ना जैसे मेरी छुपी हुई तमन्ना थी, वैसे ही मेरे किसी टीचर की तमन्ना थी.
What are you saying?
तो वो टीचर था, लेकिन उसकी तमन्ना नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा जाने की थी, इसलिए उसने शायद ब्रोशर मंगवाया था.
क्या बात है.
और हॉस्टल में क्या होता था तब, सब no, it was a time of postcards and letters and everything.
Don't have to tell me, sir. मैं तो उसका जनरेशन का है.
तो वो रद्दी पूरा किसी तरीके से it landed up on our terrace and I was going ऐसे टाइम पास करने ऊपर गया
by chance,
और वो रोशन मेरे सामने आ गया. And that was like, वो होता है ना अपना फिल्मों में एनिमेशन, you go zoom in inside. I went zoom in inside, and I felt that I am here. Yeah, this is my place.
What are you saying? यार ये फेरी टेल का जैसा है.
हाँ. And then वहां से मुझे लगा कि अब तो मुझे यही करना है. फिर घर में फाइट शुरू हुए. पापा वाज लाइक कि तुमको तो एक ग्रेजुएशन करना पड़ेगा. वो तो
ऑप्शंस क्या था फॉर यंग हेमंत खेर? ऑप्शन क्या था अगर आप एक्टिंग नहीं किया तो? और क्या करते?
तो मेरे पास, आई वाज गुड एट स्टडीज, तो मेरा ऑप्शन था या तो इंजीनियरिंग या
यूजुअल मिडिल क्लास ड्रीम, इंजीनियरिंग, डॉक्टर, लॉ,
करेक्ट,
जो भी. कॉर्पोरेट लाइन में फंस गया.
तो मेरा ये 12th स्टैंडर्ड में, बिगिनिंग ऑफ द 12th स्टैंडर्ड ये ब्रोशर मुझे मिला और मेरा साइकोलॉजी चेंज. फिर मैं पढ़ने में धीरे धीरे वीक होता गया. और फिर जब मैं पास हुआ तो आई हैड वेरी एवरेज मार्क्स, मतलब 60%.
इसका मतलब है कोई बैड इन्फ्लुएंस आ गया आपके सोच विचार में?
नहीं, मेरा ड्रीम वो हो गया कि मुझे तो अब ये करना है.
फोकस वेंट ऑफ.
बट फॉर गुड. तो मुझे फिर बीएससी
लगता है फॉर गुड. इमेजिन पेरेंट्स और नियर बाय सपोर्ट ग्रुप जो है सोचते हैं कि एक फर्स्ट 12 years द बॉय हैज क्रैक्ड द सिस्टम, और उसके बाद पता नहीं क्या हुआ, एक रड्डी में एक कागज पड़ा और उसके बाद ही इज गॉन बिजर्क.
करेक्ट. Then I had to do BSc chemistry, और BSc chemistry पूरा मैंने, yeah, because my father wanted me.
Sir, मैं interrupt कर सकता है इसमें? Because we must tell the country, even though hardly anyone is listening to us, that this BSc is not a great degree.
Absolutely.
बहुत पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं कि BSc करो, because साइंस के अटैचमेंट और छाप है उस पे. Let me tell you, there's no work coming out of it. उसके बाद अगर आप 10-12 साल और पढ़ाई करते फिर आप डॉक्टर और डबल PhD पहुंचते, उसके बाद बाई चांस आपको शायद हो सकता है आप कुछ पैसा कमाएगा और नाम कमाएगा. But I think honestly, BSc, I know so many people, they have no work.
Yeah.
उसका कुछ मतलब नहीं है. Call the government now, sir. Better to do a drama degree, honestly.
Absolutely. I wanted to go for the drama degree, but my parents and family, और तब तो
no chance.
Those were not the time की जिसमें पॉडकास्ट होते थे और लोगों से हमको लगता था ऐसे ही कि हमको कोई मिल रहा है, मतलब बात हो रही है.
अगर हाउ सैड, अगर बाय चांस अगर आपके जो लवली पेरेंट्स ने मेरे फेस को देखा टीवी पे, फिर आई थिंक दैट वुड एंटर देयर आइडिया इन द माइंड कि अगर इतना गिरा वाला इंसान को काम मिलता है टीवी पे तो मेरा बेटा विल गो स्ट्रेट टू द टॉप. यार,
no, that's you are being humble in a funny way, but
I'm not arguing.
फिर बीएससी किया, लेकिन बीएससी पूरा मैंने किया कैंटीन और थिएटर में ही, मतलब अपना ऑडिटोरियम में ही था, रहता था मैं। और मैं आई यूज्ड टू गेट लॉट ऑफ ट्रॉफीज फॉर द कॉलेज। मैं बहुत ड्रामा कंपटीशन, मोनो एक्टिंग कंपटीशन जीत के लाता था। तो मेरा प्रैक्टिकल में भी ना वो पीपीटी निकालना होता है बीएससी में, वो मेरे से कभी हुआ नहीं। तो हमारा लैब असिस्टेंट बोला एग्जामिनर को, इसको पास करो, इसको बस डिग्री चाहिए, इसको एक्टिंग करना है। सो आई समहाउ गॉट पास, और फिर 2 ट्रायल के बाद आई गॉट इनटू एनएसडी। उससे पहले
उसके पहले पेरेंट्स के सोच में कुछ परिवर्तन हुआ? बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली विनिंग साइड में ये सब साइड बिजनेस चालू हो गया, सब कल्चरल, नो नथिंग, नो चेंज.
No change. When I got into NSD, Times of India, Baroda took my interview. So I knew that I have to say particular things so that my father get convinced.
जैसा?
So जैसे मैंने बोला, after completing NSD, I am going to be the professor. I will teach drama. So
you are getting a teaching degree, actually.
Yeah. So
sharp guy, yaar, very sharp guy. Fear of parents bring out the best creativity.
Actually, you have to get done a 72,000 rupees का solvency certificate. वो आपके पेरेंट्स को बना के देना पड़ता है, नहीं तो एनएसडी में एडमिशन नहीं मिलता है.
क्या बात है?
हाँ, तो मुझे उनकी जरूरत थी कि वो सर्टिफिकेट आई विल हैव टू गेट. सो आई टुक दिस रूट एंड देन आई वेंट टू एनएसडी. फिर एनएसडी में तो यू नो हाउ इट इज. यू गोपाल तिवारी मस्ट हैव टोल्ड यू ऑल द स्टोरीज ऑफ एनएसडी. इट्स मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल 3 years ऑफ योर लाइफ.
ही नेवर टेल्स द गर्ल्स नेम्स.
या
घटना तो है, मगर नेम्स, पर्टिकुलर डिटेल्स वो तो नहीं देते.
नहीं देता.
गोपाल स्माइल इज देयर बस.
या बट अरे राजा. सो देन एनएसडी के बाद पहले एनएसडी में मेरे को एफटीआई मालूम होता तो शायद मैं एफटीआई जाता, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज ड्रीम्ड अबाउट बीइंग इन फिल्म्स. सो मैं एनएसडी खत्म हुआ, नेक्स्ट डे आई टुक द ट्रेन टू मुंबई आ गया मैं, और मैंने वही फोटो 5 छपवा के पीछे से वो लिख के नंबर लिख के घूमना थोड़ा बहुत शुरू किया. लेकिन वो इतना ह्यूमिलिएटिंग लगा ना मेरे को, तो मैं ज्यादा नहीं कर पाया. तो अभी भी मेरे पास
ह्यूमिलिएटिंग मतलब आप दरवाजे के एंट्री भी नहीं मिलता था तब?
हाँ, एंट्री भी नहीं मिलता था. अरे चलो जाओ, अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है टाइप्स की बातें. कभी कभी लोग ऑडिशन पे बुला के ऑडिशन कैंसिल कर देते थे. तो ऐसी चीजें भी हुई है कि हाँ तुम पहुंचो 12 बजे और वो आया ही नहीं आदमी. तो ऐसी चीजें हुई. कहीं पे बोला कि ये तुम्हारे चेहरे पे तो एक भी लाइन नहीं है, तुम कैसे एक्टर बन सकते हो? मतलब तुम्हारे चेहरे
क्या मतलब है?
मतलब योर फेस शुड बी लाइक अल पचिनो, ऐसा. दैट्स व्हाट दे वांटेड टू, आई थिंक.
मेरे पास लाइन भी है नहीं.
हाँ, हमारे पास नहीं है, फिर भी हम बन गए. तो वो मेरे से ज्यादा सहन हुआ नहीं. फिर भी मुझे कुछ सीरियल्स मिले, एक आध फिल्म मिली है. जब फिल्म मिली ना, दैट वाज अनदर फनी किस्सा कि फिल्म मिली, और जब फिल्म के शूटिंग के दिन ही मुझे लगने लगा दैट आई हैव अराइव्ड. तब मुझे पता नहीं था कि फिल्म बनने के बाद, शूट होने के बाद वो एडिट भी होती है, उसके बाद लोग उसको जज भी करते हैं. और वो इतनी बुरी हुई फिल्म कि मैं क्या बताऊं. मतलब फ्रॉम स्काई.
आपके रोल?
मेरा रोल वाज देयर. आई वाज प्लेइंग वन ऑफ द लीड रोल, बट द फिल्म डिडंट वर्क. मतलब बहुत ही बुरी तरह. इट वाज शॉट वेरी बैडली. इट वाज यू नो.
पर आपका परफॉर्मेंस एटलीस्ट लोग को अच्छे लगे यार?
पहुंची ही नहीं ना लोगों तक फिल्म. मतलब the film didn't reach to people, you know, it came
अच्छा, एक दिन में बंद हो गया that type.
हाँ, that type. तो I crashed, और फिर कोई काम नहीं, और अचानक से मुझे ये शो लिखने का काम, शाबाश इंडिया नाम का एक शो था जी टीवी का. तो मुझे वहां बुलाया था ऑडिशन के लिए, बट आई गॉट लेट बिकॉज आई वाज टेकिंग वर्कशॉप समवेयर. तो फिर फॉलो अप के तौर पे आई जस्ट कॉल्ड देम एंड दे वर लाइक, कुछ और आता है तुमको? मैंने बोला लिखना आता है. आई जस्ट थ्रू इट आउट. थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर एक आध 2 प्ले, कविता जो घर में अपन लिखते चुपचाप, वो लिखा था मैंने. और ड्रामा का समझ तो था ही. तो मैंने बोला लिखना आता है. बोला 5 सैंपल स्क्रिप्ट लिखना पड़ेगा. इमेजिन 5 सैंपल स्क्रिप्ट. सो आई रोट 5 सैंपल स्क्रिप्ट बिकॉज आई वाज एम्प्टी, मनी नहीं था. तो उन्होंने बोला 3,000 रुपया मिलेगा तुमको. मैंने बोला वेरी गुड. एक स्क्रिप्ट
3,000 सिर्फ ये ट्रायल के लिए, या 3,000 गोइंग?
नहीं, 3,000 एक्चुअल पेमेंट ऑफ 1 एपिसोड का स्क्रिप्ट.
वो मेरे से भी कम पैसा है.
हाँ,
शर्म की बात है भाई.
पर मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा था उस टाइम.
पर्सपेक्टिव.
कुछ से कुछ, समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. तो आई टुक इट अप. और वो शो ना हफ्ते के 5 दिन था. तो मेरे पास मतलब महीने के 60-70 हजार रुपए वॉज too much in 2007, 8, 6 I think. 5, 6. और फिर then because I was good, I kept on getting bigger shows. Then I wrote all big shows. As writer, as creative director, as act director. So money was coming in. I was happy. गाड़ी खरीद रहा था, घर बना रहा था, फार्म हाउस बना रहा था.
तो कमाने का vehicle शुरू हो गया, मगर आपका नाम कमाने का vehicle in terms of in front of camera had not happened.
Absolutely. तो वो मन में ना ऐसे कचोटता था. ऐसा लगता था कि यार ये क्या कर रहा है, तू ये करने के लिए नहीं बना है. Simultaneously I was writing my film scripts and everything. तो मुझे what attracting me is films, acting in films, stories, and because हमारा orientation भी world cinema का है, we look at films from the different perspective. वो सब करते करते then 2016 I was like नहीं, अब मैं चाहे जेब खाली है, पैसा नहीं बचाया है, दरवाजा बंद करूंगा, भूखे मरूंगा, कुछ भी करूंगा. आई बॉट सम कैमरास एंड लाइट्स एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. और मैंने सोचा नॉन एक्टर्स के साथ जाके मैं फीचर फिल्म ही बनाऊंगा.
मोस्टली नॉन एक्टर्स ही है शोज पे.
लेकिन वो पैसे मांगते हैं ना.
नॉन एक्टर्स हु डिमांड मनी अलग है और नॉन एक्टर्स हु डोंट डिमांड मनी अलग है. यस यस
करेक्ट. सो आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर नॉन एक्टर्स हु डजंट डिमांड मनी.
हां सही बात है.
इंस्टेड दे गिव कि अरे यार फिल्म
ये तो तीसरा रास्ता निकल गया इसमें. नॉन एक्टर्स हु डोंट डिमांड मनी बट पुट मनी ऑन टेबल. क्या बात है. वाओ.
यार फिल्म में ले लो, ये लो 10,000 रुपए टाइप.
मेरा बेटा को लॉन्च करो 1 लाख.
सो लेकिन तभी व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई गॉट a call for a film to be a coach on a film because I was training celebrities and bachas and all. So people used to know that he is the one.
और आपका सरनेम भी खैर है और उसका पास सर जी के पास बड़ा पाठशाला है एक्टिंग की. तो आई सपोज खैर उसका ही होगा. चलो आ.
बट आई होप उस कनेक्ट की वजह से नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे.
लेट्स नॉट गेट पॉलिटिक्स इनटू इट यार. वी आर टॉकिंग क्रिएटिव. आई शेयर टैलेंट.
तो सो आई गॉट दिस ऑफर एंड आई वाज एक्साइटेड कि यार फिल्म पे काम करने को मिल रहा है, अपने को भी फिल्म बनानी है एक दिन. तो so then I jumped into it. I was coach on this film called Mitro. Then another film was Notebook. Then another.
Is it to do with the Prime Minister?
No. It's different.
वो copyright है PM के पास.
हाँ correct.
Opening line.
हाँ वो they took that name just to give that identity, that fame to the film, but it didn't work out unfortunately. उसके बाद 1, 2, 3, 4 फिल्में मैंने कर ली as a coach, and by this process was happening, I was auditioned for जो parallel सब auditions देते रहता था, उसमें से एक audition was this अश्विन मेहता, और वो मिल गया. उसके बाद you know rest is the history. फिर show बना. It took 7 months.
But sorry, but a great point is, I think always you should keep coming back to it, that you were doing really well. It's not like you're not doing well, but your acting ka jo kida hai na, that was not being satisfied at all.
Absolutely.
Now, hopefully, you will reach a point where you will
acting and filmmaking. You know, so I always wanted to make films, tell stories, act in it, or make others act in it. वो करने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा था. नाम नहीं बन रहा था. दाम तो मिल रहा था, पर नाम कहीं नहीं था.
So paisa without creative satisfaction, and now paisa with paisa can go to hell. You want creative satisfaction because now you reach the point where fair enough. So don't worry, sir. मेरे पास भी I live in Malvar Hill. सब लोग अमीर है यहाँ पे. Everybody wants to launch their kid. तो पैसा तो आएगा टेबल पे.
Let's do that.
Just put one guy, give him 2 dialogues, say he's the star, हो जाएगा. How do you think I launched Gopal on week that wasn't yet? अच्छा sir.
I hope I was as good as Gopal when it comes to PR.
Gopal, yeah, that's ये तो slightly critical बात है. I have to keep this link and show it to him later.
He knows me. I always do this too.
Gopal is a बनिया भाई. Gopal is so interested in more work and more work. मैं बोलता Gopal तुझे को क्या हुआ? इतना बदलाव हो गया Gopal के this thing character में. In the beginning he used to be like I don't care whatever जो भी है plays no money leftist left of center artist. अब तो बिल्कुल कैपिटलिस्ट हो गया.
बिल्कुल.
They just Gopal Dutt, they say गोपाल जी कुछ एक्टिंग जो ठीक है पैसा सर 50,000 पर okay and then later he finds out he has to wear no clothes and dance from a tree or whatever. बाद में anyway listen, we will take a quick break here Hemant. A few seconds we will come back. I'll bring Silvery, हमारा जो producer है, youngster है.
Okay.
He wants to be an actor also. He can ask you some questions.
Sure.
We will talk a little bit about जो current affairs and AMAs in the second half. Hemant Kher is with us.
What is AMS?
Yeah, ask me anything.
Oh, lovely.
It sounds grand, yeah. It sounds grand.
Yeah. AMS it's great. It's like BGM. It sounds something cool.
I love all these
It's
words.
just background music.
Confidence के साथ बोलना पड़ेगा and then people just accept it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so मित्रों, after the break.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another great, awesome, amazing week on the IVM Podcast Network. If you're not following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Would like to thank the sponsor on the network this week, Storytel and The Whole Truth Foods. We have a new show out this week, Candid Kannan with Siddharth Kannan. Sid Gay is a well-known RJ. He has an incredible show with some of the most amazing Bollywood celebrities. As part of the first week's episode, we're releasing 5 episodes at one time, so you can get your fill of Sid. You can hear him talk to Varun Dhawan, Anil Kapoor, Anurag Kashyap, Bhumi Pednekar, and a whole lot more. This week on the Edges and Sledges podcast with Varun DJ and Ashwin, hear them talk about the historic victory that India achieved at Gaba. Maruk Inayat had an amazing talk with Gul Panag. They spoke about the farmer protests and why Bollywood celebs are acting the way that they are. And finally, Shunya One is back this week. Shiladitya and me talked to Anirudh Singla from Pepper Content. We have a great lineup of guests coming up in the coming weeks, including Deepak Abbott, the co-founder of India Gold. Definitely check that out. And with that, let me get you back to your show.
Follow me at Instagram and Twitter on Bored Brocha. I'm so bored, I need your help. I need your love. I need your touch. Okay, just follow me. Okay, break is over. We'll call in Silvery. Silvery, aaja.
Hello,
Aaja,
hi. Good morning, everyone.
Hi, Silvery.
Hi. Also,
सही नाम है अंतरिक्ष. Long story.
Antariksh Thakkar.
हाँ.
yes, correct. All right.
Not Thakkar. It's Punjabi. It's H नहीं उसमें. It's Thakkar.
Oh, Takkar.
Yeah, like
Sorry,
it rhymes with
sorry.
fucker. In case you forget.
Yeah.
हिंदी में for a कर.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get to the topics. Munawar Farooqui, his bail, the comedian Munawar Farooqui, his bail got denied twice now. About 2 days back, his bail hearing had just happened, and the Supreme Court at the time said that such people should not be spared. And what's wrong? Essentially, I'm paraphrasing, but they said that what's wrong with you people where you want to take advantage of someone's religious beliefs and sentiments?
Yeah, see, if you take devil's advocate side, Hemant, I'll start off here.
Yes.
Devil's advocate, if you take the other side, in India, it's very dangerous in any case. I mean, I can't even make Parsi jokes in public. I'll tell you stories about how Parsi, supposed to be flexible community and all, getting upset and offended. I mean, you try with Sikhs, you try with Muslims, Hindus, upper class, lower class, you try. Public में it's from a logical practical point of view. I'm not talking a moral point of view कि सही क्या है, because free expression तो अलग बात है. Free expression का मतलब है free expression, right? So that is one way. But the truth is we live in a country like this. So my worry is that वो एक बात है. Second, वो hypocritical standards भी है, because we have sitting chief ministers, we have sitting leaders, we have sitting people जिसने क्या अपने speeches में क्या, I mean, I can't even get into the words that have been used: anti-national, anti-communal, anti-this, anti-that, anti-sexist, but nothing happens to them. That's the second part of the argument. छोटे-मोटे comedian या artist को पकड़ सकते हैं, and you can make a big deal out of it. So both these problems are there at the moment, and we will now turn to Hemant, who will give you a more wise answer. Hemant ji.
Yeah. I feel the same. You said what I was thinking about. There is this. Everybody knows that why is it happening, and who is doing it, and why they are doing it. We know that, and the sad part is, the place where we look for justice is, वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा सा you see, I mean, you get this idea that they are inclined to particular kind of thought process. उससे थोड़ा सा अगर देश बच जाए तो अपने को थोड़ा, rightly said that freedom of speech is freedom of speech. The constitution has given you that. और जितना sentimental होने का show होता है, उतना लोग होते नहीं actually. And the smaller issues are made bigger, and yeah.
तो ये सिंसियर रिएक्शन नहीं होते, आपको कहने का मतलब है? हाँ, ये सिंसियर ऑफेंस है या नहीं है? व्हाट इज सिंसियर ऑफेंस? सिंसियर ऑफेंस के यार आई डोंट नो. आई गेट ऑफेंडेड अगर आप मेरे डॉगी को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल, बट आई हैव नो इंटरेस्ट इन रिलीजन, तो इट डजंट अफेक्ट मी दैट मच इफ समवन सेज समथिंग अबाउट वेयर माय बैकग्राउंड. तो ये सब रिलेटिव चीज है ना. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू डिसाइड?
हाँ, मतलब you are right. You can't decide it, but Actually people are getting offended, or somebody's portraying that people are getting offended. Two different things, no? Yeah. So somebody is portraying that people are getting offended. बाकी जोक सुना भी नहीं है जो ऑफेंड हुआ है उसमें.
Do you guys think that this is a time when artists should be afraid a bit? Should there be fear?
Absolutely. This is the time I feel so, because you being an artist, you show a mirror to the good or bad, but to the society. And right now we are afraid of holding the mirror. Absolutely, you can't.
Exactly. Or coming back to this particular case, ye banda Munawar has now UP police are saying we want to take him in. So they made it a symbolic thing. Matlab, he's just a small comedian in the, I think, English Hindi space of Mumbai, frankly. And with due respect to him, he's done very well in that world. But he's not Amitabh Bachchan or Shah Rukh Khan. You know, I mean, he's where he is. And now you're taking him somewhere, or abhi symbol attached kiya uspe, ya chap attached kiya uspe. He has to be the one to be taught the lesson for the rest to follow the line. This is the point that is coming through. Because MP say UP, or wo bhi jail. I mean, the crime is bad jokes. If you don't like his jokes, maybe offending his sentiment. See, offending sentiment, I think you want to go with it, you go with it. But the penalty cannot be so much, yaar.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Correct.
अगर नौकरी कैंसिल हो गई तो काफी है, अगर पैसा नहीं मिला तो काफी है, अगर पेनल्टी लगवा दिया उसपे तो काफी है. Why do you need to go to 6 months jail or 1 year jail? Because then it's really not fair about what is happening in India or anywhere in the world. जब ये लोग, people are hitting, killing, looting. Look at it from perspective, it makes no sense.
Yesterday was Munawar's birthday.
Yeah, 28th,
and yesterday was yesterday the court announced that he's not getting bail. Just sad.
Yeah, and like you said, Silvery, what does it say to the comedians who are the next generation, who are more edgy than us and have more guts than us and all? You're just telling them either you'll have to go into Dubai or Poland or whatever and do your stand-up comedy for wahan se, or you...
No, don't be edgy.
No, go back to... Don't be edgy, or go back to engineering. The guys are broken. I mean, the whole idea is they've taken the courage to take, like what Hemant has done. Hemant is also exactly from the same area. He said no to a middle class lifestyle, took a chance, went on in life to become an actor, writer, entertainer. Luckily for him, अभी तक तो कुछ ऐसा कुछ मामला नहीं है ना सर?
नहीं, अभी तक तो कुछ नहीं है.
अभी तक तो नहीं है. You must have at least one in your lifetime.
Let's see.
So, next web series.
And no protection.
One man's gali, other man's compliment. You should come up with some series like that. Tu mere ko chutiya bola. I like it. Thanks, Baba. I feel like a common man. Yes.
There is an AMA question related to this. Comes in from Hyperbole. He says, why is there even a statutory message or a disclaimer on a movie that this is a work of fiction? If in the end all it takes is one person to get offended anyway.
Yeah, that's two things. They can get sued. So, Mr. Hyperbole, first you have to remember, I think it's illegal. I'm 1 year LLB. The reason mostly we put disclaimers for legal and financial issue. We don't want that problem. I think because you can just get sued completely when you say this happened and that happened in the whatever, and the person denies it. So I think it's more.
But then people still get offended, no? Like you can still file an
offense part is like offense is intangible product. How can we control that? So I don't know. I think in India we'll have to start. Stand-up comedians should do it. Pehla stand-up comedian, at least a big comedian, uske aane ke pehle, supposing Silvery, you're the big comedian and I'm the junior guy, I should only come and say that Silvery will now come and uska jo soch hai or style hai, please don't take it seriously because he's not well and we apologize. All that should be the 15 minutes of that montage. Then we cut to you coming and performing. Because what we this is no longer like a joke. This is like really what we have to do. So
yeah.
I was telling you that day.
And you are still and after that also there are people who would be offended and they would not take that seriously, and the same thing would happen because it is all been.
Sir, मैं एक बात बताऊँ इसके बारे में. Sorry to interrupt. You have to look at it from geography point of view, yaar. अगर हम 3-4 लोग दारू पीते, for example, 3-4 of us, we make jokes about one community for whatever reason. It's not necessarily malicious.
Yes.
In that small group, it's us just expressing ourselves, that thought and momentum of the conversation, us taraf gaya, and with that we continued and we said something. It doesn't mean we hate that community really from the bottom of our hearts or we hate that person we're talking about. But once a mobile phone has picked it up and it goes online, then we are finished.
Yeah.
But you have to judge from perspective because we've all said stupid things here. I want to know which guy out of all of us has not made sexual comments about women. If there's one person alive, please give him the Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushan and Padma herself. Give all, as far as I'm concerned. It's rubbish. The political correctness also is rubbish, yaar. कितना झूठ बोलेगा हम लोग? When we are guys together, the things we have said, it's not necessary, but it doesn't mean that we want to kill someone. When you say, I hate that guy, the truth, doesn't mean you want him to die. You'll feel really bad next day if he got hit by a car. So I think we should also understand political correctness का कुछ limit होना चाहिए, privacy भी होना चाहिए, and everything should be depending on the room. A room of comedians with the people paying money to watch it, they should be allowed to do whatever they want in that room. अब वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं, then I mean it's not fair because somewhere in his native village if somebody is taking offense, it's not connected to that moment, yaar.
Absolutely.
Market अलग है.
Yeah, like for the longest time there used to be they used to call stand-up comedy the last bastion of free speech, which absolutely it is not right now.
It is not.
Somehow needs to go back to that.
It is in many countries, but
it is in different countries, not in India right now. Yeah.
It still is. He's struggling. He's fighting, but others are standing up. Oh, I think that famous example of Soviet Union we have हमारे पास, where Soviet Union writers during the Iron Curtain wrote all that. That's why satire, what he was talking about, how to get innovative and all that under pressure. They are able to deliver the message, hopefully without getting, being so obvious about it. And you still fight against oppression of any kind in your own way. So you just breed better creativity, actually, if you want to look at it positively. What do you say, Hemant?
I say the same thing. I would like to say whenever artists are being oppressed anywhere in the world, they have always come up with great art. So, and it will definitely going to find another way, and people are not going to stop. They are going to evolve. Nothing is going to last forever. No propaganda, nothing. The Hitler couldn't last forever.
Correct.
So nobody is going to last forever. And there would be a better way of doing it, for sure. As much as I understand the artistic thought process, we will, and the generation Y or Z, whatever you call them, they would come up with the way.
It's a lack of respect. Go.
Grandfather ने भी नहीं सोचा वैसा रास्ता वो लोग निकालेंगे. And that will happen definitely.
Sir, आपका तरीका बिल्कुल सही है. I also like to say about the next generation, this GB जो भी है, who cares? उसका कुछ अंत नहीं है. It's the next generation. उसके बाद Z minus. Who the hell? I mean, yeah, really.
Who is deciding?
I don't know.
Writing this?
And what they're doing, they're putting us up one every time, यार. हम तो 4-5 नीचे गए, हम लोग 4-5 ऊपर गए. It's not fair. Yeah. Let's get back to a more serious conversation about sexual banter and what have you said about women in public. Please confess right now, and we'll have it on record. Hemant is doing his hair. हाँ, कभी नहीं.
नहीं, कभी नहीं. I still remember that the first line of our plays, every Indian is my brothers and sisters.
वो confusing है. You're right. This is what a beautiful moment you have brought up, Hemant. If we accept it as the opening line that all Indians are my brothers and sisters, so we have to have the relations with outside women.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, we are committing
incest.
We
have to go international. Yeah.
We have to go international. We have to get a visa and a government sponsorship to go to, let's say, Istanbul, Hungary, or something like that. And, I mean, this is by law.
Why did you choose Istanbul?
I'll tell you why. I have a theory: best looking women of the world. And now, please, this is not sexist. This is my theory. थोड़ा travel करने के बाद, are from that area between Lebanon and Turkey. That little area, it was so beautiful. I can't tell you, Hemant.
Yeah.
It was like I had died. But of course,
I heard your thought actually. Actually, I got
in the Hindi thought it reached you.
As soon as Istanbul came in.
बेचारा बेटा, क्या मालूम है? हाँ, गएगा. Yeah. His time will come. He probably won't return after some stand-up. Goes wrong here, straight to Istanbul. That's also run by Erdogan is no, Democrat. Let's be honest.
Yeah.
Okay, listen. Can we do last question? Hemant has to get ready for makeup and his next role.
Yes. I'll just read a couple of comments also before that. Rajesh Mehta says Hemant is positivity personified. Great. Thanks so much, Rajesh. And there was also one more.
Yeah, that's true. Hemant never said anything negative about his life, which is lovely to hear. By the way, if you were listening to the podcast, Silvery. Except for the initial auditions, which he never said with any bitterness. It's just the way it is.
Good. I think that's the way it is. You have to find a way.
Is that how people get successful? Those who are able to not get depressed when things go wrong. And
I get depressed. Sometimes I get depressed, but I have found a way to pull myself up. I look at it from whenever I feel like depressed, like like people talk a lot about this apna nepotism. You know, yeah, it is there, and what you are going to do about it? मतलब मैं David Dhawan को मना कर दूं कि वरुण धवन के लिए पिक्चर मत बना.
Exactly, not even his fault, यार.
It's not his fault. He's born there and he has to work hard.
Why will you not help your son?
Yeah. So I don't take it negatively. I always feel that the nepotism will help my son.
What I would have done is go to David Dhawan and say, Papa, yaad hai, and then see the reaction.
Yeah.
Too much?
Yeah. Too much.
Yeah, God.
So, so there is no point in taking. I do get depressed. मुझे भी कभी-कभी लगता है कि साला काम नहीं आ रहा, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है. All the practical struggles are going around, but then there is always another way of thinking about it. Yeah.
Okay. Great, but let's fast Silvery ek aur 39. Chalo.
Okay, sorry. This last comment though, and then question.
Yeah.
Damodar Patel says, Hemant sir, you were awesome in Scam 992. Keep rocking, sir.
Thank you so much, Damodar sir.
I think now he's bored of listening to तारीफ पे तारीफ. He wants to move on. अगर तो lock हो जाते हैं उसमें ना, एक ही जगह पे lock हो जाते हैं फिर.
नहीं, now I'm waiting for the messages which are like, we have wrote this role for you. You know, we are shooting from this day, and yeah. So that is what I'm waiting for now.
Yeah. हो जाएगा, don't worry.
हो जाएगा, inshallah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is related to acting and movies.
Yeah.
Comes in from Manozar. He says, as Cyrus, your next movie is with Abbas Mastan, and I'm guessing you were offered the role of a Parsi dude. Is that correct, Cyrus?
No, I think after the initial reading, we took out the Khanna from the surname and kept his name as Monty because my dialect and pronunciation is itna ajeeb hai that after some time they couldn't decide. It goes from north, south, east to west and from different parts of Mumbai. But it was a great experience. I love those guys. I got to tell you. Really pleasant experience.
Okay. So Manozar says, how often are you guys typecasted? Same goes for Hemant sir. How often are you typecasted? Or does that happen?
A lot. I was offered so many Bade Bhaiya ka role after Scam got released.
Oh,
and I had to say I had to say no to lot of them. एक शांत बड़ा भैया है जो कि अपने भाई को लेकर बहुत supportive है. It happened a lot, but finally I got something which is very different from Ashwin Mehta, and I had to take that.
This is why the Americans have it a little better, na? Hemant?
Yeah.
अगर वो सुपर हीरो का काम करते 2-3 फिल्म के बाद तो बंद हो जाते. They need to move on. Otherwise, can't be Spider-Man forever. Can't be Superman forever.
Yeah.
Can't play this one character who's a villain 3 times in a row.
Yeah.
They just kill it.
Yeah.
Before it becomes unbelievable for the audience to see it. In India, once a guy is successful, we demand it. कि sir वही करना पड़ेगा. But this is a comedy. No, but you must cry. It's like no.
Yeah. Absolutely. They want you to do the same thing. We will never have this privilege to retire from acting like Daniel Day-Lewis because
yes,
you can do that in America. You can't do it in India. You have to keep playing Papa, Bhaiya.
Or you play that for money, so you can play other good roles for non-money.
Yeah.
But मेरा कहने का मतलब है इसमें कि the market is to blame also. It's not from the artist side as much from the side of the people watching. That they've done this for मेरा generation से and before. You know, Amitabh Bachchan, Angry Young Man, we'll keep him there for 15 years.
No, but those who are making has to understand that, you know, whatever you are going to show, people are going to watch that.
Yeah.
So I think the blame should go.
The courage to change.
On the creators. They need
गोपाल ने ऐसा ही किया. सेलर तो हो गया भी गोपाल यार. मैंने कहा ना, ad में तो पूछता भी नहीं रोल के बारे में.
Correct.
Even if it's like where he is murdering children, he'll first see what the money is and then go. Gopal, when are you going to change? No, we're just kidding. Gopal is lovely. Bolo sir, हम लोग को जाना है. You have 2 minutes left. Do you have a last question?
Yes, sure. This one is a very fun question. Comes in from Vivek Barthwal. He says, which Hindi movie in the past decade is your comfort movie and why so?
I'm 80s, like Naseeb, Lawaris, that type of movie to watch.
But in the last decade.
I'll have to think here.
For me, it would be, I saw Stree, Rajkumar Rao's, which I just enjoy a lot. So I watched that again.
I like Dil Chahta Hai, if I can sound cliche.
Of course. But is that last decade?
Well, somewhat. मेरे को अभी यार कौन सोचेगा कि exact year का. But
Dil Chahta is an excellent movie, for sure.
Yeah, I thought it was a little breakout from Hindi cinema a little bit at that time.
Absolutely.
That comes to mind easily. But now there's so much. My wife makes me watch. I can't remember the name. So much of these what you used to call parallel cinema that is there on Netflix, and I watched with her. And many of that Loot Case, for example, was not bad.
Yeah,
it was pretty good. So yeah, and what I think Hemant is in that middle ground, between the two, where they will hopefully.
I'm thinking. I think all the films by Rajkumar Hirani are, quite fall in that category, which are very, which gave you something new to think about, and which also entertained you like anything. So I think those movies, yeah.
Yep, great.
All right.
Yeah.
We would have discussed the erotic films, but Hemant will not release his erotic thriller, Jangli Jawani, The Ultimate Story, which has been in production for many years.
Many years, yeah.
Complete nahi karta hai because bar you change the cast.
Yeah.
Very interesting, sir. Very interesting. Anyway, God bless Hemant. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you. God bless you.
Goes well. You rock. And unfortunately, I have to go back to car issues. Gaadi ki problems. I have to go back and deal with that right now.
I have to deal with a bicycle. मुझे हवा भरवाने जाना है.
मेरे पास इतना हवा है. Let me take your bicycle. I can give it the हवा.
Okay.
चलो.
ठीक है. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, catch us on any of the podcasting apps. Please, we beg you. We need you. Send us your questions on Twitter on Cyrus Says In. Or you can email us, even if you're not female, on whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से. हाय, आई एम सदफ
एंड आई एम अर्शिद. खाने का इतिहास, इकोनॉमिक्स, पॉलिसी, साइकोलॉजी सब है मेन्यू पे.
ओनली ऑन द नानकली पॉडकास्ट एवरी वेडनेसडे, सिर्फ IVM पॉडकास्ट ऐप या वेबसाइट पर, या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो.
Whether you're an established sports person or a budding one, or simply a sports enthusiast, join us, Tanvi and Shlok.
We are two passionate pro badminton players talking policy, mindset and everything sport.
So tune in to the Millennial Athlete every Monday.
Only on the IVM Podcast Network.
Trust us, it's gonna be lit.